friends, welcome to Ash Family. I am Asmita. In a healthy drink series, I am going to make a smoothie which is 100% natural, no artificial flavor, energy booster and very tasty. I am going to make spinach, apple and banana smoothie. So let's get started. For that we need 1 cup of water, 2 cup of spinach. Spinach is superfood which have camphorol, which fight against cancer. Besides that, it have vitamin K, B6, A and C. Also, it contains potassium, magnesium and iron. 1 apple. Apple is very healthy for heart. 1 banana, which full of calcium. Salt as per your taste. Lemon juice and some ice cubes. First put spinach in the blender jar. Add banana. Apple. Lemon juice and water. Blend it very well. Now add salt as per your taste. Put some ice cubes. Blend it again. Transfer into the cup. If you need more sweet, you can add honey. Healthy energy booster is ready to drink. See you soon with another healthy recipe.